Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and as always, your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you this very cool effect, which is called Extrude Portrait Effect within Adobe Photoshop. A really impressive style that you can apply to any type of imagery that you want. And yet again, it's a very simple step-by-step process that you need to follow to create this type of effect. Question should be is how do we do that? And obviously that's why I'm here today, guys, to show you everything that you need to know to create this type of effect. Okay, so I'm going to come to our original layer, so our top layer there, and just remove it and start off with our original image. Okay, so what I need to do is duplicate this layer. The shortcut to do that is Command J on Mac or Control J on Windows. And I need to convert this top layer to a smart object. Okay, so by right-clicking on the layer, I have the option to convert to smart objects. Okay, and with that top layer still highlighted, now what I'm going to do is come to Filter, Stylize, and Extrude. We're going to keep the size at 10, and you're going to keep the depth at 50. And now if we press OK, this may take a little bit of time, guys, depending on the quality of your computer. The reason being is it's a really powerful effect that takes a little bit of time for it to work it out. But as you can see, the results are quite epic. And there you go. It's not that really much of a long wait to create it. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create that extrude portrait effect within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Otherwise, there are videos that are coming out on a weekly basis for you to follow to create some really cool designs and show you some really cool effects within mainly three softwares of Photoshop, InDesign, and Illustrator. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.